Welcome to Business Training Media's channel. In today's video, we'll explore the best dividend investing courses for beginners in 2025. Be sure to watch to the end to learn how to enroll in these top-notch programs and take control of your financial future. Let's get started. Dividend investing is a powerful strategy to build wealth and generate passive income, and these courses will help you kickstart your journey. What is dividend investing? Dividend investing is a strategy where you invest in companies that pay dividends, regular payments distributed to shareholders, typically from the company's profits. Unlike growth stocks, which reinvest earnings into the company to fuel expansion, dividend-paying stocks reward investors with consistent income, making them ideal for those looking to build wealth steadily and reliably. Why should you consider dividend investing? Passive income. Dividend stocks provide a recurring income stream, often quarterly or monthly, which can supplement your salary or retirement income. Compounding growth. By reinvesting dividends, you can harness the power of compounding to grow your portfolio exponentially over time. Stability. Dividend-paying companies are often established and financially sound, offering lower volatility than high-growth stocks. Long-term wealth. With the right strategy, dividend investing can help you create a portfolio that generates income for decades to come. Whether you're saving for retirement, paying off debts, or simply looking for financial freedom, dividend investing offers a path to consistent and reliable wealth generation. With that said, let's review our best 5 dividend investing courses for 2025. Number 1. The Complete Dividend Investing Course. This course is the ultimate beginner's guide to dividend investing. You'll master the skills needed to identify, analyze, and invest in dividend-paying stocks. Learn how to craft a diversified portfolio that provides consistent income, even during market fluctuations. In this course, you'll learn about market analysis, understand market trends to make informed investment decisions. Portfolio building. Learn strategies to balance risk and reward effectively. Passive income strategies. Discover methods like the copy and paste strategy to simplify stock selection. And advanced techniques. Explore compounding, risk management, and timing your stock purchases and sales. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to create a sustainable passive income stream through dividend investing. Number 2. Dividend Growth Investing, the Complete Dividend Course. If you're looking to build a robust portfolio of dividend stocks, this course is a must. It covers everything from the basics of dividend investing to advanced strategies for maximizing returns. What you'll learn: evaluating stocks, identify high-quality dividend-paying companies with growth potential. Metrics that matter. Understand key metrics like dividend yield, payout ratio, and debt levels. Portfolio management. Learn how to manage your investments effectively for long-term success. Advanced strategies. Dive into niche areas like investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, and MLPs, master limited partnerships. With lifetime access and a 30-day money-back guarantee, this course provides everything you need to become a confident dividend investor. Number 3. The Ultimate Guide to Dividend and Dividend Growth Investing. This program is perfect for beginners and those looking to refine their dividend investing strategies. You'll learn how to build a dividend growth portfolio from scratch, addressing common questions like when to buy, sell, and manage risk. In this course you'll get comprehensive overview, gain a solid understanding of dividends and their role in building wealth. Practical steps. Follow a clear, step-by-step process to create a portfolio tailored to your goals. Historical insights. Leverage data and real-world examples to make smarter investment decisions. In just a few hours, this course equips you with actionable insights to achieve consistent, above-average returns. Number 4. Dividend Stocks Investing. Generate monthly passive income. For those who want to generate monthly passive income, this course is a game changer. Learn to build a portfolio of high-potential dividend stocks that compound over time, helping you achieve financial freedom. Course benefits. Monthly income strategies. Discover how to create a consistent income stream with minimal risk. Debt reduction. How use dividends to pay down loans or mortgages faster. Compounding wealth. Leverage compounding to grow your portfolio exponentially. This course includes lifetime access, regular updates, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, making it a smart investment in your financial future. Number 5. How to build weekly passive income with dividend investing. Imagine creating a portfolio that pays you every week. This course shows you how to achieve that by investing in dividend growth stocks from top US companies. This course teaches you about automated wealth building. Use tools like M1 Finance to simplify and automate your investments. Tax-friendly earnings, learn the tax advantages of dividend income. Compounding power, maximize your wealth building potential with proven strategies. This program is ideal for anyone looking to put their savings on autopilot while achieving financial independence. Why learn dividend investing now? The financial landscape is evolving, and dividend investing remains one of the most reliable ways to grow wealth. By learning the fundamentals and advanced strategies now, you position yourself to take advantage of opportunities in 2025 and beyond. What are some of the benefits of starting an investment strategy? Early growth, the sooner you start, the more time you give your investments to grow. Resilience, build a portfolio designed to withstand market volatility. And financial freedom, create income streams that allow you to live life on your terms. Take the first step toward financial freedom. Ready to start your dividend investing journey? We've included links to each of these courses in the description below. Enroll today and take the first step toward creating a sustainable, wealth-generating portfolio. Remember, the path to financial independence starts with education and action. Don't wait, start building your financial future today with these top dividend investing courses for beginners in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your network. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.